I'm going to teach you how you can use the Nova bot. Now, if you haven't used a bot before on Telegram, I'm going to show you how. First off, the way that we can navigate the bot, we can tap on this button here, menu. Now, on menu here, there's a couple of menus here that you can do. So like start, referrals menu, settings, wallets, and any of the other these things, right? And if you want, for example, get started, just tap on this, start, and you can see it'll automatically enter in a command like this, and then the bot will respond like this. Now, on here, the way you can do this is that you can just tap on any one of these settings here to do the Nova botting. So for example, if I want to buy, I'm just going to tap buy, and then you can see you'll have to send a token address, things like that, right? If you want to do wallets, just tap on wallets, and then you can see the wallet is now going to appear on the message up here, right? So this is the wallet, this is the default, things like that. If you want to go back, you can click on back to menu. And then if you want to go to sniper, copy trade, autopilot, things like that, you can tap on here as well. For example, copy trade like this, you can see Nova copy trade. If you want to click on start all, stop all, delete task, new task, a lot, you can go back to the menu with this button again. You can also do positions here, for example. There's a couple of Nova positions here as well. Again, click on back to menu. There's also other things like autopilot. So for example, autopilot just like this, and then you can see right now autopilot is disabled though. So if you want to enable it, just tap on that. And then basically this is how you use NovaBot. This is the way you can use it. Just tap on the menu like this, and then that's it. You're done.